A very good morning to all my dear students. This is Anush Kumar Dwivedi. Today I have come up with class 11 chemistry. The topic is some basic concepts of chemistry. So let us in this video we will go to learn about Dalton's atomic theory and concepts of elements, atoms and molecules. So let's start. First of all, recapitulation, that is Dalton's atomic theory, billiard balls 1803. Dalton's atomic theory. John Dalton in 1766 to 1844 was an English chemist, meteorologist and physicist. He is best known for his pioneering work in the development of modern atomic theory and his research into color blindness. He proposed the atomic theory of matter based on his experimental observations. With few expectations, his theory is accepted today. Thus, Dalton is known as the father of modern chemistry. So, what does the Dalton claimed? What are his claims we will discuss here? First one is all matter is made up of atoms. Atoms are indivisible and instructurable. Second is all atoms of a given element are identical in mass and properties. Compounds are formed by a combination of two or more different kinds of atoms. Next is a chemical reaction is rearrangement of atoms. And the last one is atoms can be neither created nor be destroyed. Here you can see the billiard ball of atomic model, which was given by Dalton. Now, what is the history of Dalton's atomic theory? Let us discuss it. Although the concept of atom date back to the ideas of Democritus, the English meteorologist and chemist John Dalton formulated the first modern description of it as the fundamental building block of chemical structures. Dalton developed the law of multiple proportions, first presented in 1803, by studying and expanding upon the work of Antony Lavoisier and Joseph Proust. Dalton also believed atomic theory could explain why water absorbed different gases in different proportions. For example, he found that water absorbed carbon dioxide far better than it absorbed nitrogen. Dalton hypothesized this was due to the difference in the mass and complexity of the gases' respective particles. Dalton proposed that each chemical element is composed of atoms of a single, unique type, and though they cannot be altered or destroyed by chemical means, they can combine to form more complex structures, that is, chemical compounds. Since Dalton reached his conclusions by experiments and examination of the result in an empirical fashion, this marked by the first truly scientific theory of the atom. According to John Dalton, a new system of chemical philosophy was given. So, this image from Dalton's A New System of Chemical Philosophy was published in 1808. Depicts various atoms and molecules, which is described here in this diagram. So, what was Dalton's atomic theory? Atomic theory has been revised over the years to incorporate the existence of atomic isotopes and the interconversion of mass and energy. In addition, the discovery of subatomic particles has shown that the atoms can be divided into smaller parts. However, Dalton's importance in the development of modern atomic theory has been recognized by the designation of the atomic mass unit as a Dalton. Atomic and their symbols given by Dalton. So what was the atom and their symbols? So you can see the hydrogen, carbon, oxygen, phosphorus, sulfur, iron, copper, lead, silver, gold, platina, mercury. This you can see, these were the symbols given by Dalton. Now let us see elements and the symbols used now. So let us discuss about the atom first. An atom is the smallest constituent unit of ordinary matter that constitutes a chemical element. Every solid, liquid, gas and plasma is composed of a neutral or ionized atoms. Atoms are extremely small. Typical sizes are around 100 picometers, that is 10 into 10 raised to the power minus 10 meters, a tenth millionth of a millimeter, or 1 by 2,54,000 of an inch. They are they are so small that accurately predicting their behavior using classical physics as if they were billiard balls, for example, is not possible. Every atom is composed of a nucleus and one is more electron bound to the nucleus. The nucleus is made of one or more protons and number of neutrons. Only the most common variety of hydrogen has no neutrons. Proton and neutron are called nucleons. More than 99.94% of an atom mass is in the nucleus. The protons have a positive electric charge, whereas the electrons have a negative electric charge. The neutrons have no electric charge. If the number of protons and electrons are equal, then the atom is electrically neutral. If an atom has more or fewer electrons than protons, then it will be an overall negative or positive charge respectively. These atoms are called ions. Now we have different combinations of atoms. Here you can see that molecules having the same kind of atoms, where in first one molecule of hydrogen, second one is molecule of oxygen, and third one is molecule of chlorine. In these all things we have the same type of molecules. Now same type of atoms which combine to form molecule. So next one is molecules having different kinds of atoms. So first diagram you can see the molecule of water, that is H2O. Second one is molecule of hydrogen chloride, that is HCl. Now you can see the structure of an atom containing protons and electrons and neutrons. With this we complete this video. Have a nice day. Goodbye everyone.